We're running out of time, but I'll start with Miskella. Very briefly, just 1 minute each, make your comments on the cost of living. Very fast. Yes.
Thank you very much. On behalf of the workers of this country, life has become very hard on everybody. And government has not even raised the pay slips. And for us, sometimes as unions and workers, we try to ask government just to be considerate that we are okay, we are not demanding of so much of you to give us a pay rise, but don't deduct the little we are receiving. Yeah? Okay. And worst of all now as a doctor is that beyond the cost of living, there's something called cost of falling sick and the cost of dying in this country.
All right.
Right now it becomes so expensive and NHF is no longer paying because they're running short.
Okay.
Sometimes as workers, when we disagree with the president and on some issues, we ask of you, please don't send the police to arrest or tear gas us. That's just our way of expressing ourselves, and then we reach to a point that we can all agree.
All right.
Thank you.
Johi, very briefly.
Thank you so much. From manufacturing, we